Are you ready for some big news? A new professional model is about to be unveiled. On March 7th, Leica will reveal their latest achievement, the Leica SL3. This launch promises to captivate professional photographers everywhere. Stay tuned to find out more about this groundbreaking new camera.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes Ten Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with Ten Studio today.
The camera world is abuzz with rumors about Leica's upcoming SL3 mirrorless camera. As the successor to the respected SL2 and original groundbreaking SL, expectations are high for this new professional model. Based on leaked specs, it seems the SL3 is poised to deliver impressive capabilities that build upon the strengths of these predecessors to take image quality and performance to new heights. Going back to the original SL from 2015, we see it too was quite ahead of its time. It matched the resolution of popular DSLRs with a 24-megapixel sensor. This was complemented by Leica's Maestro 2 processor and a milled aluminum weather-sealed body. The SL introduced a 4K video to the lineup and implemented a contrast detect AF system with 49 fields. While not blindingly fast, the focus was accurate. At up to 11 frames per second, the SL exceeded most competitors' burst rates. Now looking ahead to the SL3, the rumored specs indicate it takes the best attributes of these cameras and steps things up a notch. The star of the show looks to be a 60-megapixel BSIC MOS sensor, likely the same one found in Leica's recent M11 and Q3 cameras. This Sony-developed sensor touts triple-resolution technology, enabling photographers to shoot at 60, 36, or 18 megapixel. Its immense level of detail at full resolution promises breathtaking prints that surpass anything the SL2's already formidable 47-megapixel sensor can produce. And with a dynamic range of 15 stops, photographers should enjoy wide latitude for recovering shadows and highlights. The SL3's body will be marginally smaller than the SL2, yet enhanced with better ergonomics. Controls are reworked for intuitive handling, reminiscent of the original SL's excellent design. And a tilting 3.2-inch touchscreen allows for versatile composition, an upgrade over the SL's fixed display. A high-resolution 5.76M OLED viewfinder should also provide a crisp, eye-level experience that improves upon the SL's 4.4-megapixel EVF. In the speed department, the SL3 looks to claim the crown. An all-new hybrid AF system utilizes phase detection for a fast focus lock that surpasses the contrast detect AF of its siblings. When coupled with a Maestro 4 processor, burst rates up to 9 frames per second will help you capture fleeting moments and split-second action. The SL could shoot at 11 frames per second, but the SL3's autofocus and buffer depth should allow for more usable bursts. Rumored specs also indicate that the SL3 will outperform the SL2, making the 5K recording on the SL2 appear quite ordinary. 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second should satisfy videographers needing high resolution and smooth footage that the SE SL2 can't quite match. Tools like 10-bit HLG color also expand the creative options. With a rugged sealed body providing IP54 resistance to dust and moisture, the SL3 appears equipped for the rigors of outdoor shoots just like its predecessors. And you can expect it to deliver up to 6.5 stops of stabilization for tack-sharp handheld images, giving it an edge over the SL2's already excellent 5-axis system. The SL3's connectivity is maxed out with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C 3.1, and HDMI 2.1. These cutting-edge options outpace the still-capable options offered by earlier models. Of course, processing power demands proper power. To that end, Leica fit the SL3 with a higher capacity 2,200 mAh battery, With improved efficiency, it should deliver ample shots and recording time to keep you shooting longer than ever. Rumors point to a March 7th announcement for the Leica SL3. Given its impressive capabilities on paper, it seems poised to deliver a no-compromise shooting experience. Pro photographers needing high-resolution, speed, video features, and robust construction in a full-frame mirrorless body will surely take notice. We can't wait to get the SL3 in for testing to see if the real-world performance lives up to the sky-high potential. One thing is certain, the bar for Leica's premium SL series just keeps getting raised higher. Stay tuned for more as launch day nears. So that's all about the Leica SL3. Do share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your takes. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.